In this video, we will talk about what is AI in healthcare. So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from RS Technology. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel. The artificial intelligence, AI, technologies becoming ever-present in modern business and everyday life are also steadily being applied to healthcare. The use of artificial intelligence in healthcare has the potential to assist healthcare providers in many aspects of patient care and administrative processes, helping them improve upon existing solutions and overcome challenges faster. Most AI and healthcare technologies have strong relevance to the healthcare field, but the tactics they support can vary significantly between hospitals and other healthcare organizations. And while some articles on artificial intelligence in healthcare suggest that the use of artificial intelligence in healthcare can perform just as well or better than humans at certain procedures, such as diagnosing disease, it will be a significant number of years before AI in healthcare replaces humans for a broad range of medical tasks. But for many, it's still unclear. What is artificial intelligence in healthcare? What are the benefits? How is AI used in healthcare today? And what will it look like in the future? Will it replace people in key operations and medical services one day? Let's take a look at a few of the different types of artificial intelligence and healthcare industry benefits that can be derived from their use. Machine learning. Machine learning is one of the most common forms of artificial intelligence in healthcare. It is a broad technique at the core of many approaches to AI and healthcare technology, and there are many versions of it. Using artificial intelligence in healthcare, the most widespread utilization of traditional machine learning is precision medicine. Being able to predict what treatment procedures are likely to be successful with patients based on their makeup and the treatment framework is a huge leap forward for many healthcare organizations. The majority of AI technology in healthcare that uses machine learning and precision medicine applications require data for training, for which the end result is known. This is known as supervised learning. Artificial intelligence in healthcare that uses deep learning is also used for speech recognition in the form of natural language processing, NLP. Features in deep learning models typically have little meaning to human observers, and therefore the model's results may be challenging to delineate without proper interpretation. Natural language processing. Making sense of human language has been a goal of artificial intelligence and healthcare technology for over 50 years. Most NLP systems include forms of speech recognition or text analysis, and then translation. A common use of artificial intelligence in healthcare involves NLP applications that can understand and classify clinical documentation. NLP systems can analyze unstructured clinical notes on patients, giving incredible insight into understanding quality, improving methods, and better results for patients. Rule-based expert systems. Expert systems based on variations of if-then rules were the prevalent technology for AI in healthcare in the 80s and later periods. The use of artificial intelligence in healthcare is widely used for clinical decision support to this day. Many electronic health record systems, AIRs, currently make available a set of rules with their software offerings. Expert systems usually entail human experts and engineers to build an extensive series of rules in a certain knowledge area. They function well up to a point and are easy to follow and process. But as the number of rules grows too large, usually exceeding several thousand, the rules can begin to conflict with each other and fall apart. Also, if the knowledge area changes in a significant way, changing the rules can be burdensome and laborious. Machine learning in healthcare is slowly replacing rule-based systems with approaches based on interpreting data using proprietary medical algorithms. Diagnosis and treatment applications. Diagnosis and treatment of disease have been at the core of artificial intelligence AI in healthcare for the last 50 years. Early rule-based systems had the potential to accurately diagnose and treat disease, but were not totally accepted for clinical practice. They were not significantly better at diagnosing than humans, and the integration was less than ideal with clinician workflows and health record systems. But whether rules-based or algorithmic, using artificial intelligence in healthcare for diagnosis and treatment plans can often be difficult to marry with clinical workflows and EHR systems. Integration issues have been a greater barrier to the widespread adoption of AI in healthcare when compared to the accuracy of suggestions. Much of the AI and healthcare capabilities for diagnosis and treatment from medical software vendors are standalone and address only a certain area of care. Some EHR software vendors are beginning to build limited healthcare analytics functions with AI into their product offerings, but are in the elementary stages. To take full advantage of the use of artificial intelligence in healthcare using a standalone EHR system, providers will either have to undertake substantial integration projects themselves or leverage the capabilities of third-party vendors that have AI capabilities and can integrate with their EHR. Administrative applications. There are a number of administrative applications for artificial intelligence in healthcare. The use of artificial intelligence in hospital settings is somewhat less game-changing in this area as compared to patient care. But artificial intelligence in hospital administrative areas can provide substantial efficiencies. AI in healthcare can be used for a variety of applications, including claims processing, clinical documentation, revenue cycle management, and medical records management. Another use of artificial intelligence in healthcare applicable to claims and payment administration is machine learning, which can be used for pairing data across different databases. Insurers and providers must verify whether the millions of claims submitted daily are correct. Identifying and correcting coding issues and incorrect claims saves all parties time, money, and resources. The future of AI in healthcare. The greatest challenge to AI in healthcare is not whether the technologies will be capable enough to be useful, but rather ensuring their adoption in daily clinical practice. In time, clinicians may migrate toward tasks that require uniquely human skills, tasks that require the highest level of cognitive function. Perhaps the only healthcare providers who will lose out on the full potential of AI in healthcare may be those who refuse to work alongside it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.